Hello guys, welcome to Learn Overflow. This video is a bit different one, not an usual programming related video that I usually post. So this video is about Instagram. To be precise, it's about posting on Instagram, that is uploading a picture on Instagram, but you may say, hey, that's a common thing. We usually go over the Instagram app and upload our videos. But no, no, no. This video is about uploading a picture on Instagram, but from your PC, from your desktop, from your laptop. You might have noticed that Instagram from your laptop or from the browser, uh, maybe Chrome, maybe Edge, or maybe Firefox, or maybe Safari that you are using, don't allow to upload pictures. Instagram restricts that. But I will show you how to do that in this video. So this video is a bit different and I don't make this kind of video. Comment below if you want more such videos on this kind of tips and tricks. Also, watch this video till the end and don't miss any steps. So that will help you to run this properly. Also, something to note is that in this video, I will not show any kind of third-party installation. This will be completely tips and tricks. You don't need to install anything to run your or to upload a picture. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, here we are on my Instagram, and this is my Instagram handle. If you wish, you can follow here too. So I will show you step by step how I can upload any photos or videos on my Instagram using this Chrome browser. I am not going to use any of the third-party apps. Again, I am repeating that. I will use simply this Chrome browser. And here you can see. If you just look here, there is no option for you to upload any picture through a browser mode, right? In a Chrome or in a laptop or desktop. So now let me show you something. Right click anywhere and go to this inspect page. So this inspect page will just open up this kind of small codes here and there. So these are not of our interest. Just look here, there is a toggle device toolbar option is here, just here. I hope you can see this thing. If you just click here, you can see the motion, the whole thing changes to a phone-like setup. Yeah, looks similar to your phone. Now, just it will be on your responsive mode as a normal one, but changes to any of your phone mode that you want. You can I will use G4, Moto G4, or any other version you can use here. So you can see what are the yeah. Now this comes up in your phone mode, but remember there's nothing to upload a video or a picture here. So there's we are in Moto G4 and still there's no options. So let's do something. Let's reload this page. And after reload, you will find that boom, here you have this option to add photos, videos in it. So I'll go ahead and this click over here and I'll say add a picture. This is one of my old 2-3 video back. I uploaded this video and this was about GitHub repositories. If you want to see that, I will put the link in the description. Sorry, in the I button. You can see that video too. So I'll just post about this video and go next. Here you can see this each option is there for you. Say I say a new video is up on my channel. Dot dot dot. Go and watch it. Maybe this kind of thing, and I'll just add it here. After that, say I add a location, uh, but this will ask for your location here. So this way you can add your location, but currently I will keep my location blocked, so it will not give us the option. So there we go. This is done for us, and then share. Look, you just uploaded your picture, or you can upload this your video in a similar way. Look, your photo is uploaded. There you see. There you see. This exactly what you see in your phone. You are getting the same experience in your mobile, like in your desktop, right? You're seeing the same experience, and there you go. So that was how you can upload photos, videos from your desktop or from your Chrome browser without using any third-party apps. I hope this was some informational, tricky video for you, and this will definitely I help you in uh, posting videos from your desktop, editing them in your desktop, and then uploading videos to Instagram through using this mode is definitely useful. So I'll just toggle this bar again, and this would become, I'll just close this, and this would become the similar one that we see when you open up. So just reload the page again, and look, it became the same one that the desktop mode has is back for us. So what we did, a short recap: right click, inspect. Inspect elements will open up in a second. Yeah, inspect, then become the click on this small toggle device bar. So toggle device opens up. Select your version of phone that you want to use. Any version works good for you. There's no problem with that. Just reload the page after that, and you can see your version here. Look, here it is. Here is the upload button. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. uh, Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends or with your Instagram friends who were willing to do this kind of tricks and using a lot of other third-party apps. So I hope this is a helpful video for you. Thank you everyone for watching this. See you soon in my next video.